Right, if you've changed the door side weather stripping, been to the dealer, maybe you did it yourself on your JK or maybe perhaps a JL or Gladiator, and you're still getting leaking on the floorboards, wet carpets, that type of thing, I'm going to explain to you really simply why that's happening and then how you can fix it. All right, so if you've been to the dealer and you've seen that, okay, I've changed the door side seals, it still leaks. They had me change the header gasket right up here on top of the windshield, it still leaks. I've done everything. I'm about to give up. Don't give up. This video's for you. All right, guys, my name is Tony, and I accidentally became the world's leading expert on fixing leaking Jeeps. It happened on mine. I fixed it for myself, and I said, wouldn't this be awesome if we can just produce the solution, which I'm about to get to now. So without further ado, guys, let's talk about the solution. All right, so here's the problem. The problem is you've changed this already, and nothing's changed, right? My mom has a quote. She says, if you always do what you've always done, you'll always get what you've always gotten. So in this instance, you've done this already, correct? Same results. The problem with Jeep Wranglers, any year, JK 2007 to 2018 or Gladiator Wrangler 18 to 26, is that they also have the door side weather stripping, but what they don't have is the body side weather stripping. Here on the body, if you notice, it's just bare metal. So what happens is when this door side seal, new or old or used or however, whatever, slams against the body, there's absolutely nothing to seal it like every other vehicle on the road today. I mean, it just makes good sense. Now let's come over here to the driver's and passenger side so I can kind of show you what I'm talking about. Again, just bare metal here, guys, right? Well, this is the fiberglass top. There's bare metal down here, right, around the entire perimeter of the vehicle. You'll check that. And no other vehicle does that except for Jeep Wranglers. Now I'm going to show you what I've came up with because I realized this was a problem and figured, why don't we get with a US-based manufacturer and produce the solution? Because clearly Jeep's not going to do it. This is a JK, and that behind me is a brand new Gladiator, and that Gladiator still doesn't have the body side seal. Anyway, guys, let's take a look at what we got here. I produced this here in the United States of America. It's the Jeep Leak Fix, what I call the Jeep Leak Fix kit. It's this weather stripping weather guard seal. It goes on the entire perimeter of the body here. All right, you guys can see that. All right, let's get a close up here. Goes all the way here, here, all the way up, then all the way up to here, and also across your freedom panel. This is a separate piece because you want to take your freedom panel off. And go to the other side so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Freedom panel has its own seal going on it, but it lifts up with the panel. You see that? There's black seal here. That black seal is its own piece. So we do create the entire body side seal around here. Now the reason we did it like that was because if you were to do a body side seal that just simply went around the entire perimeter of the door, then you'd lock the panel in, right? You couldn't get it out. So that's the separate situation there. So yeah, guys, if your vehicle's been leaking, JK, JL, Gladiator, I want you to just go outside and understand that concept that every vehicle on the road today has a body side weather stripping, except for JL, JK, and Gladiators, which for the life of me, I don't understand. They need it more than any vehicle, I would say, since they're modular, meaning that all the pieces come off, right? The tops come off, the roofs come off, the doors come off, the windshield falls down, etc. So, yeah, guys, that's the real reason your Wrangler is leaking right now, especially if you've changed the door side weather stripping and still to no avail. And if that's something that you want to solve, if it's a problem you want to solve and it's something that you want to take care of, I'm going to leave a link down below. You can find the Jeep Leak Fix Kit. You also have access to me, whether you get the kit or not. Go to leakfixkit.com and you'll find access to me, and you can email me questions, etc. Because like I said, I didn't mean to become the world's leading expert on fixing Wrangler leak water on carpet problems, but you know, when you figure out a problem for yourself and you share it with a community, and next thing you know, you've helped hundreds upon hundreds upon hundreds of people, I guess you become the expert. So all right, guys, my name is Tony. Thanks for watching this. If this makes sense, leave a like, leave a comment, do what you got to do. And ultimately, if you want to go check out that Leak Fix Kit, you know where to find it. All right, guys, peace.